Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. If you want to change your Facebook name on your mobile device, you might be wondering how to do it with the new update. In this video, I'll show you the steps to follow to change your name on Facebook using your phone. Let's go. Open your Facebook app and tap the menu icon to proceed with changing your name. As you scroll, you'll see Settings and Privacy. Tap the drag down button, and from the list of options, click Settings. To make it easier to manage your account, click Account Center. Here, you can see your connected accounts from Instagram and Facebook. Go to Profiles. Tap on your Facebook account and enter your edited name. In changing your name, you cannot use symbols, unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters from multiple languages, or offensive words. After editing, please note that you cannot change your name within 60 days of the previous update. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.